Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending January 30th of 2022 and the stock was Walmart. This happened on Friday the 28th. It was based on a daily major support area with an entry off of a 1-minute bull 180 plus a DTS breakout. This was a simple management and reward to risk about 2.8 to 1. This wasn't the best trade of the week, but I think it was close, but it was a great educational one. I'll explain why in just a minute. First of all, what's free for members this week? There will be a special event this week, but it's not hosted by DTS. I am speaking as a guest speaker at Traders Exclusive. You can sign up for that. You might be able to click on this red area down here, that little curtain sign. If not, you will have emails that are telling you how to sign up for this. Even if you are a DTS member, you need to register for this because it is not through DTS. That'll be Wednesday at 3:15. There are other speakers during the day also if you'd like to listen to them. Back to this trade. This is the daily chart of Walmart, and that was that major support area I discussed. This is what it looked like the day before the trade. And then the day of the trade, we open right here. We fly lower, breaking that support, and the break of that support in this case is the reason to be long. Traders need to understand that difference. That is definitely a long when that happens. I have to tell you though, this particular trade, I did not have this picked out to watch on the daily chart. This was actually brought to my attention by a member in the DTS Trading Room. I'll tell you just when it came to my attention and tell you that story in just a second. Here's the hourly chart. Not learning a whole lot from the hourly chart here. Just simply we opened right there, shot lower, and then got the entry down in there coming off that bottoming tail. And yes, you really have to know the chart to trust that entry down there near the bottom of that tail when we just broke daily support, or at least put broke in quotation marks. 5-minute chart. Not terribly informative either, unfortunately. We opened there just flat, we shot lower, and then the entry came right in there. 134.81, stop 134.34. We went sideways for a little bit, popped to the high of the day for target 1. And I took target 2 right there on a trail. I think that was perfectly fine. It dropped a lot. It ended up coming back and closing higher, but no regrets. You got to take that when it happens like that. So 2 targets, no regrets on Walmart. Great trade. 1-minute chart to give you a little better view of the entry there. We shot lower. After opening up there, boom, this is the little bull 180 that happened in here, a little consolidation right there, 134.81, stop 134.34, and then of course this chart only goes till about 11 o'clock, and both the targets were after that, 135.79 and 136.43. I sometimes get questions from traders, Paul, you say to follow the trend and you're buying a downtrend. It's not the case at all. This is absolutely a perfect demonstration of how technical analysis works. On the right time frames, this isn't the correct trend. Getting entries is different than strategies. That's why I teach them separately. Strategically, this is perfect. The entry was perfect. And as I pointed out, I actually did not have this trade on my radar. It wasn't on my list. And somebody right in here from the room brought it to my attention. Sometimes people in the room joke because 95% of the time when somebody brings something up, I may say put it on a watch list, or maybe I don't like it, or I say I like it, let's keep an eye on it. Every once in a while, they hear my voice. I just instantly found numbers for this, and it was just a matter of seconds before I was looking to get into this. Perfect setup, nothing to talk about, great trade. Thank you to the room member, and for everyone else who's listening to this, if you like what you see here in terms of trading in a very systematic, calm, disciplined way, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you even have a morning or two free, start learning how to day trade, bring in some extra income. It's a lot better than any part-time job you do to start off, and eventually many people go full-time. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.